Friends by Judy Delton. Doug was looking at his clean house. Just then someone came to the door. It was Bear.
Come in,
said Doug.
but first you must clean your feet.
Bear cleaned his feet and went inside.
Make yourself at home.
Said Doug.
Come and sit down.
Thank you, I will,
said Bear. He sat down in Doc's rocking chair. Then he put his feet on Doc's table.
Bear, put your feet on this paper.
Said Doug.
What do you have to eat?
Asked the Bear.
Nothing.
Said Doug.
Nothing to eat?
Asked the Bear.
Today I cleaned house.
Said Doug.
I did not cook.
Well, I have something.
Said the Bear. He took 2 cakes out of his pocket.
Bear!
Said Doug.
What are you doing to my clean floor? Here, I will put this paper under your chair.
Bear looked at the paper. Then he looked at the 2 cakes.
Dog,
He said.
you are a very good housekeeper. But what good is a clean house if you have nothing to eat? Here, have a cake.
Thank you, I will.
Said Doug. And he did. The next day, Doug went to the bear's house.
Dog,
Said the bear.
it's good to see you. Come on in.
Said the dog.
What smells so good?
I am cooking.
Said the bear. Doug looked at the 2 honey cakes sitting on the table.
Just clean the floor from the chair and sit down.
Said the bear.
Oh, Bear,
Said the dog.
I can't sit down. My feet are stuck to the floor.
Oh my,
Said the bear.
that's the honey. Dog, do you want honey cake or pie?
I will take pie.
Said Dog.
I've had all the honey I need for one day.
Okay.
Said the bear. Then he cut some pie for Doug and some pie for himself.
May I have something to eat this pie with?
Asked the dog.
Today I cooked.
Said the bear.
I didn't clean. There is nothing clean to eat with. Maybe you can eat with your wings.
That pie was good.
Said the dog.
You're not a very good housekeeper, Bear, but your pie is the best I've ever eaten.
Have some more.
Bear said.
Thanks, I will.
Said Dog. And he did. The next day, Bear went to Dog's house. Dog was not at home, but Bear went inside anyway. He put some cakes on the table with a note. The note said, "From Bear." The bear went home. When Bear went inside his house, he was surprised.
This can't be my house.
He thought.
My feet are not stuck to the floor. Everything is clean and put away. And my table is clean too.
Then Bear saw a note. The note said, "From Dog."
I must thank Dog.
Thought Bear. Just then someone came to the door. It was Dog,
Thank you for the cakes.
said Dog.
I was so surprised.
And I was surprised too.
Said Bear.
I have never seen my house so clean.
We really are good friends.
Said Dog.
Yes, we are.
Said Bear.
Come in and have something to eat. But first you must clean your feet.
I will.
Said Dog. And he did.